No.
Hello guys, welcome back to Chinese. I am 𝐿𝐶𝐵𝐲𝐬. I have been obsessed with this show lately, and tomorrow is season 4 finale, and I can't wait. I still remember how heartbreaking the scene was when Chen Ting, Cantonese mom, got killed by the monster. Her last words were 好好照顧佢，而家得返佢自己咋。好好照顧佢，而家得返佢自己咋。Let's break it down. 好好 well, properly. 照顧 take care. 佢 him. 而家 now. 得返 it always comes together. Only have left. 佢自己 himself. 咋 is a final particle to emphasize only just. So in English, it means please take good care of him. He got no one left now. Facing death, East Asia parents often focus on their children's future rather than their own fear of dying. So every time I return home, my parents always ask me, 你拍咗拖未啊？係時候結婚啦。Sometimes it's sophisticated, right? But in this show, it's very touching.
我真係唔想你去啊！你應承我萬事小心。
Yes.
平安嘅返嚟，我唔可以冇埋你。
What's more touching is that Boy doesn't speak any Cantonese, but he memorized the line overnight after the intense, emotional scene. Let's listen how he plans.
Before she died, she said, 𝐂𝐴𝐧𝐿𝐴. I don't even know if I'm saying this right.
As a beginner, you need to pronounce every word fully and reach out your vowels. Don't rush through the sounds like ho. We are not standard. It should be ho. Sometimes my student plans like 可，你可靚，好，你好靚。Be careful, 好 and 可, they're different. Many English speakers struggle to distinguish the pronunciation. 佢 This one plans 佢 raising tone. 推 衰. And about the final particle, I always tell my beginner students that roughly 70% daily Cantonese sentence end with the final particle ah. So you should get used to add the final particle ah when you study out. Of course, there are also unique final particle with specific meanings like la, which shows a shift in situation. Like 我走啦 I'm leaving. I was here a moment ago, now I'm heading off. And 我食完啦 I have finished eating. I was eating before, now I'm done. 我食完啦. The reason I brought this up is that I thought Cantonese mom used the final particle 咋 in her final line, but actually it's la. Anyway, different particle carry subtle difference in meaning. For example, Cantonese mom said 而家得返佢自己一個啦 which implied that Cantonese mom knows she is dying. Before she was still with Kenny, but right now she's gone. The particle 咋 always carrying the meanings of only, just. I only eat vegetables. 我淨食菜咋 淨 here means only. I only eat vegetables. 我淨買咗一個咋 I only bought one. 我得100蚊咋 The dot here means only halved. I only have $100. I hope this short lesson helps you a lot. If you also watch this series, feel free to share your predictions about how the story will go. If you come across any Cantonese in English movies or TV show, just send them over. I'm happy to break them down for you. I'm happy to see you again. 我係你老師 Gloria. 我哋下次見啦 See you next time. Bye bye.